You're talking, I'm talking. I don't know.
Alright, so it's recording right now. So, ready? I'll talk. 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go with the unboxing. Today is Sunday, August 17, 2025. And we're going to unbox the Keurig, which says it's a new brand. It's a new brand, which is a K-Dual Essential, meaning it brews grounds and it brews K-Pod. So both are able to be brewed. Yeah, there's a K-Brew pod or K-Pod. So that's what it does as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. We just bought this today at Walmart for base price was $129. I don't know if it was actually it was more expensive. It was like $149, but they lowered the price to $129. So go ahead and take that out of there. All right. So first, after opening the box, we see a little card there with a Keurig Let's Get Brewing K-Dual Essential, I guess, directions, instructions. You got a little instruction manual here. Maybe one of those warranty cards are in there as well. On top, they're going to have this big cardboard box, and there it is. Or a box cover.
Or ADHD kids out there.
The what?
Or ADHD kids out there. That's one of the boxes.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, and that's not good for the caffeine with the ADHD people. So let's go ahead and pull it out. I'm going to go and help hold it here. And then once you bring it out, I'm going to go ahead and pull the box. All right, here we go. We got the box out of the way. And this is what you get. You get a little cover there. And let me hold this for you too. All right, there's a carafe. So this is carafe. We'll go ahead and put this to the side and get that open in a little bit. We'll go ahead and pull up that little cover, that little dust cover. Go ahead and put that to the side. Are we still in frame over here? Yeah. Okay, good to go. Wow, that is nice. There's the color black. They did have white as well and gray. They might have other colors, but we did not see them other than the gray, the black, and the white. So here it is. That is very nice. It's a dual brewer.
Let me show you the back.
Regular coffee grounds with the coffee filter that goes on top, and the Keurig K-Pods. So let's go ahead and remove that. Sunshine Kathy is pulling out all the extra cardboard stuff. So there's the front, here's the side, there's the back. Nice little water reservoir back there.
Nice to see through.
Don't know how much it holds back there. Did we get to read how much it holds in water?
It goes up to...
Doesn't say ounces somewhere. Hopefully it says ounces there. I'm not
12.
sure. 12 ounces? Yeah. All right. So that means that's the max of the brew anyway, right?
Yes.
It brews up to 12 ounces, so that makes sense. So there it is. Did we get the other side too? The side towards you?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and show them the side towards you again.
Make sure to take all the tape.
Yep. Take all that little tape stuff off of there. And as you can see, that little part comes off, so you could clean any extra water residue inside there and on the bottom there. I apologize for my lighting. The lighting isn't... I have it bouncing up from the ceiling down to the table, so it's not direct. But, yeah, you know what I'm thinking? Rob, can you angle, or Kathy, angle that down, bring it down? Yeah, keep bringing it down. There you go. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's good right there. That puts a lot better light on the Keurig Dual Essential. And there's the top, how you open up the top of the K-Pod. K-Pod door opening. Put your K-Pods in there. And then over here on this side, you go ahead and put your filters for your ground coffee over there. And what's really cool about it is, I guess, once you fill up the water reservoir in the back, you can set it for brewing the regular coffee ground or the Keurig, and it uses the same water flow. So that's pretty awesome. I thought it was a pretty neat feature to be able to have both ground and Keurig cup pods. Oh yeah, so let's go ahead. Now that we saw that, Am I? I'm not in frame with my other camera, am I?
No,
Do you see? I'm good. I'm clear. Okay.
That's always nice buttons.
Yeah. So in the button in the front, what do we see there? What do we got?
See 12 cups, 10, 8.
And that's for the Keurig side.
Ounces for the right side.
Keurig, yeah. I mean the K-Pod.
And on the left, you see 12, 10, and 8.
All right.
Which is a cup size.
Yeah, cup size for the ground coffee. Pretty much the same, yeah.
It has a nice little dope heat plate on the bottom.
Yeah, a little heat plate down there. Awesome.
And let's go ahead and open.
Yeah, let's go ahead and open up that carafe.
See what
You know how I only knew that was called a carafe is because you see the King of Queens. You know, the King of Queens. There's an episode about Doug calls that the glass horror thing or whatever. He doesn't know how to call it directly what it is, and Carrie, his wife, says that's called a carafe. He goes, I don't like to call it a carafe. It sounds fruity or something. All right, cool. And how many ounces are it? 12 ounces. Yeah, it's got to be. So I know that sounds pretty self-explanatory because this does not go over 12 ounces of water.
Reminds me of McDonald's.
Yeah. So there it is. Look at that, all in its splendor and its glory.
This one straight out.
And the plug here is a regular 2-prong plug.
USA plug.
Doesn't have a ground to it at all, but it is. I'm going to take that off.
Oh.
But give them back the knife there. You could take that thing off of there. Yeah, so it's just a 2-pronger. But if you want to put an adapter on there for for the ground, you can also do that. Just buy yourself a 3-prong grounder, and then plug that into your wall.
Extension cord that has a ground.
Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set this in place. We're going to pour some water in it, and then we're going to go ahead and show you some of the brewing.
And it's a good space saver.
You have to run water so that it can.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and run some water through it to clean it out of any of the new smells and dust or whatever's in there, and get it cleaned out before we use it. Once we do that, we'll come back with you all and show you how this thing brews. Hopefully it works right out of the gate, and we don't have any issues. So they have one last turn. You got to get out of the light so that we can see it a little better. There you go. All right. Nice. Let me make sure I'm in frame with my main camera.
Yeah, so
Oh yeah, okay. So let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit with my main camera. My other bystander. Look at that and use my other little pocket camera because it went with the battery or the chip was full. All right, so let me see. You're in the light a little bit again. There you go. I'm just zooming in on it. Actually, I'm gonna jiggle this a little bit, so please bear with me because I'm gonna try to get a close-up of this. And there we go. Sorry about that jiggle and that. All right, so there you go. Get some close-up of it. Very nice. Scoot it more a little bit this way for me, please.
That's good.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. It has rubber feet on there.
Rubber feet.
Okay, so you got some rubber feet on there so that you don't have to worry about it sliding off your countertop or wherever you place it. Very nice. Well, there you go, everybody. The unboxing of the Keurig Duo Essential. We bought this once again at Walmart today. Today is Sunday, August 17th, 2025.
Total price?
So we'll be back when we clean it out.
Price?
And yeah, so the price was $129 plus tax, of course, but it was $169, I believe.
So you're saying
$149 or $169 originally. So it was a discounted price. So if you want to go ahead and grab yourself one, they have them in gray, black, and white from the area that we bought it from here in Southern California. All right, everybody, we'll be right back. Thanks for joining us here on the Keith Allen Show with Keith, Robert, and Sunshine Kathy. We'll be right back.
Sure. Just type it again.
All right. I figured I'd record a little bit of the very, very first time turning on this Keurig Duo Essential. And this is what happens. It starts blinking. I don't know if that's like it's programming itself or what it's going through there, but it is set at the smallest cup of 8 ounces right out of the gate as you turn it on. And there's a blue button on there. Oh, that's for iced coffee. That's what that is for. Okay, so it comes out cold.
Yeah.
so it's going to run the water through there. Okay, so I just wanted to show that really quickly. It blinks like that. All right, so let's go ahead and let me press this again, see what happens with the second press. Okay, I hear something happening. So you press it again, and you hear some kind of noise going on. I can hear the machine running. Damn, if that thing wasn't, but it's okay. Okay, so right now we got. Is it running? Yeah, there it is. Shoot, I don't have my light on it either.
Yeah, it's right.
Huh?
The right side's running.
I should have turned that light on and put it over this way. Alright, so we got the Keurig side running first because we wanted to test to clean it out. So right now, we're just going through the clean out phase process. We're getting it all cleaned out first, running some clean water through it, some filtered water. Just once. Yeah. There it is.
Oh,
good.
what difference?
Alright, so you gotta have lighting or else it's too dark to videotape anything. Alright, so there's water running. That's what it looks like. A little double strand drip there.
That's a good amount.
I would have preferred that other cup to use, my Sheriff cup or that Los Angeles cup, and this one. All right, so good. It's good, and it shuts off right there. The lights power down. They shut down. All right, so that's the 8 ounce. So we're going to switch this cup out. Let me see. Is it hot? Yep. It feels steamy. So it's steamy warm. So we're going to get rid of that.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
All right, we're going to put a nicer cup in here.
Yeah, it's really hot.
We're going to go ahead and use, yeah, it's hot. That's a good thing. We're going to go ahead and use my Sheriff cup.
The size.
This is my nice little Sheriff cup right here. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at 8 ounce, which this is. Let me show you both sides of this. Yeah, there's a Hall of Justice right there. Got to get my cups in there. I go ahead and make mail runs for my Sheriff department here. I'm a senior volunteer, a Sheriff volunteer, so got to go ahead and sport my cup here. All right, so now there are different sheriffs that they make these cups for.
I think this is the selector.
Yeah, I know. See how the little dots right there?
Yeah.
So you can press these two. Oh no, you can't press them.
Man?
Right here. See, you press this, and you select different cup sizes.
Yeah, I didn't instructions.
See, look.
I think it's.
So I pressed. Oh man, I missed it.
Didn't how strong your coffee is.
Could like 3 different.
Yeah.
Strong, like light, medium, and strong.
You had the manual.
Could be.
Read it.
It's on the table there, but let's go. And it's set at 8 right now. Let me see. I'll press it again. 10. Yeah. So there you go. That's your selector for
Yeah,
the
that has
cup.
to be showing you want your coffee.
And then you push it one more, and there you go.
Try pressing again.
Let me see. I think it'll shut it off. No, nothing. It just keeps brewing. All right. So if you press it more than once, it doesn't do anything. It just. All right. Here's the drip.
There it is. Strong.
Oh, okay. Good catch. Oh, for some reason, the light.
You?
No, am I? No,
Yes,
way over
you.
here.
It's
Way
in
over
front of the camera.
Oh shoot! Oh, okay. Well, no wonder I have this the viewfinder tilted so far down that I can't see that. Okay, let me zoom in.
Cool option, you guys. Your iced coffee is on top, and then you want it strong. If you don't want it strong, don't press it, and you get a regular taste of it. This is an awesome coffee maker slash. What you said?
Iced coffee.
Yeah, iced coffee.
So right now we're doing the clean out process.
You should show how good savor it is for your countertop.
We're just cleaning it out. Yeah, it fits pretty nicely right here. I didn't measure it, but looking at the base right here, it looks like it could be like a foot long.
Yeah.
Like a foot.
No, that's a foot long.
I think it's like foot by foot.
Almost like 6 inch.
Oh no, that's way bigger than 6. That's like almost a foot long.
Yeah, almost
12 inches.
Oh.
Well, you know.
Yeah, you're right.
But it is compact enough. Go ahead. Oh, so here, let me get a quick shot of this here. This is the instruction manual. We're gonna have Robert read through some of this, or he's gonna look through some. It's all blurry. It's not even all focused. And then you have the card here as well. Your save $3 little coupon, and that's all that's on this side. So.
Well, you touch it to start cleaning the thing with it.
Okay, so that was a nice little brew. It's working fine. We haven't had any problems. It turned on right away.
Okay, that's just a brew button.
Yep. Okay.
That's all it does.
That just brews. You press that and it'll start brewing.
It tells you to add water when it's low on water, which is good.
Where does it say that?
Right on top.
Oh,
add
okay.
water.
Nice. Okay. Add water. Okay. Nice. Focus.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Just scale indicator. Okay. And that's just the cups and the light, as you can see.
And also, let's make sure, is this a warmer up on top?
Let's see.
Let's make sure to see if you find anything on there about this being a KARAFE warmer, which it looks like, because this is the same material up here.
Doesn't show.
As it is down here. You know, same kind of material. And so I believe that this is it's either a warmer or just a base where you can put your KARAFE.
I think it's just a base.
Let me zoom out a little bit here. Sorry, people. All right, so it's either a base, warmer or just the base where you can set it here on top, so that you don't have to put it on your table and burn something, melt something.
It's just a base,
yeah. So
it would have showed it in the box.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I think it's just a seat.
Base holder.
Yeah, just a holder for the coffee KARAFE glass thing, thingamajiggy. All right, you got to look at that episode on the King of Queens where Doug Heffernan's talking about that, and he calls it something else, but it's a funny episode. All right, so here we go. So it did 8 ounces fine, and it is hot, so we got hot water coming out of there perfectly. Let's go ahead and try the 10 ounce. I'm going to get a different cup, a bigger cup.
Using the iced coffee thing.
Sorry if I'm all over the place, everybody, because I'm trying to narrate this and do camera work at the same time. All right, so now we're going to use our Los Angeles cup right here, our nice 20th century Studios cup. Very nice. I bought this from the studio lot itself. Let me see if we can keep it this way. Yeah, I think I like it this way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try to brew, we're going to go ahead and brew the 10 ounce now. So let's go ahead and set it for 10. All right, we got it set for 10 right there. See that? All right, so let's go ahead and push the brew button, which is the K.
You should try this one.
And there you go. You hear the noise of it pushing the water up through that heat rod that's inside there. And right away, so what's cool is it starts brewing right away after just seconds of hearing the noise of the warming going
and
through.
it's a good amount of water too.
Yeah, so it's good. It has a good flow of water coming out. Ooh. It is hot.
You see the.
We're also going to try to do the cold button after all this.
The heat come off the cup.
Yeah, you can see the steam coming off of that.
Steam, yeah.
Off of that brew there. So right now we're just brewing, we're not brewing anything, no coffee, we're just running it through with water to make sure it's all clean from dust and particles or anything.
Instruction tells you to do it too before you use it.
So once again, if you just tuned in right now, we're just showing you some of the process of how this Keurig works. And we're going through the ounces, the 8 ounce, 10, and 12. Right now we're brewing 8, or 10, excuse me, we're doing 8 ounces. Next we're going to do the 12. And then after that, we're going to try pushing that blue button, which is, I guess, for cold coffee, and see if the water comes through cold. So there it is. It finished brewing your 10 ounces. And we got to check. How's the water looking back there, Robert?
It's steam.
No, in the back of the...
It still has...
I mean, is it half full, low?
You only lost less than a cup.
Okay, good.
Like this much.
All right.
A cup.
Does it see the... Can you see the feel if it's hot? Can you see... Yeah, okay, that's hot. Good. So that's a proof that it is hot. He said, ow, like it's hot. Okay.
Yeah, that's super hot.
Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna do the.
That's a good fresh cup coffee.
Yeah, go ahead. So I don't have to keep pressing and filming at the same time. So go ahead and set it for 12. No.
Hey, you say you do the water thing.
No. Stop. Okay, now we got to. Let me press and hold. See if that stops it. There we go. That stops it. Very good. Generally, that works on many things. If you push and hold it, it cancels things out. I wanted to do the 12 ounce. We only did 8. We only did 10. We were going to do the 12, but Robert didn't pay attention. So there you go. You all can put your scolding comments to Robert. Push that button once. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. It's doing something right now. It's resetting or something. Okay. No. Pay it to Robert. Move your hand. Let me do this.
Oh, I didn't put it up.
Yeah, okay. Wait. Now push that one more time for 12. There. Good. Wait. Now push the there we go. Brew. All right. So now we got it.
It's just simple.
Yeah, so then we got the 12-ounce brewing, or not brewing, I keep saying brewing, but, well, it's brewing just water right now. It's pouring the water through. Yeah, so we're running the water. We're just cleaning it out, making sure that we run some nice hot water through it so we don't taste nothing but plastic.
Not drink this water you're pouring. It's
yeah, this is fresh, fresh, brand new hot water going through, so you don't want to drink that first brew with the taste of plastic brew, and brand new taste stuff going through it.
That's been sitting for I don't know how long.
Okay. Precious down over here. She's over here trying to get the action of the brewing. Hi, Precious. Yeah, say hello to everybody. Say, I'm waiting for my cup, Daddy. We don't give you no coffee, huh? But you sit next to us when we're drinking it. Our precious.
What I like about this one compared to the other one we had before, this one gets out more liquid faster, pours it quicker. The other one just drips. Remember?
Yeah. Just now the good thing about this is that it is new, and we're running it through its paces. And the other ones that we had went out. They were starting to flake out on us. They would go on, off. So we're gonna get Precious close up here right now. Hi, Precious. There you are. Look at you, Precious. Okay, Kathy has her right now, so she's getting in the action. All right, so it sounded like it's done brewing. So.
It's done brewing.
All right, so it's done brewing. That is hot. Go ahead and take that out. Check it. Test it. See if that's a hot brew.
You can see the steam.
Let me see. Hold it. Yeah. Okay.
You want to touch the bottom like I did?
That's a woohoo! Hot brew right there.
You see the
steam coming
steam,
out.
right?
Okay. All right. Yeah. Hot brew. So okay, then we're gonna go now. We're gonna go and run the cold. So I don't know if you do that.
You want 12 or you want 8?
No. We're gonna do the cold
one
now.
What cup size? We'll just do 8 because it's
go ahead and do 8 and see. Let's run it through its paces. Okay. All right. So now we're trying the cold brew stuff here. Let's see how that works. So right now you see the light on the blue button. The light is on the brew button, the K, and the cup size. So it doesn't stay on the cup size, as you notice there. It doesn't say it, but it is brewing. Now, is it brewing cold? It does sound different.
It does. It's even a little less.
Yeah, it sounds different, like it's not like boiling the water, so it's just pushing the water through right now.
Like regular water.
Yeah. Once I'm done, we're done with all of this. We're going to go ahead and run it through. You're going to have to like raise that light or something. There you go.
You might have to do this side once at least.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and run that too. Right now, this is all of the run through.
Water, girl. We need more water. We have enough to make.
And then we're going to have to probably fill it up. So I'm going to cut after this brew.
One more cup.
And we're going to check it, see if it is cold. And if it is, great, good to go.
That's a lot for 8.
Then we're going to go and refill it. And then we're going to run the other side for the regular KARAFE ground coffee side. So right now, you're hanging out with us, checking out the Keurig dual coffee maker right here with the ground coffee brew and regular K-cup pods. All right, so let's go ahead and check that. It should be cold.
No, that's not hot.
What? That's a hot brew? Oh yeah, that's a hot brew. Okay, something's not right. I think what we got to do, we just got to press the brew button, not this. Don't set it for ounces or anything. So go ahead and here. Let me go ahead and use another cup. So, all right. Let's go ahead. Let me work this real quick. Thank you for helping out. So let's go ahead and push the blue button by itself and see if it still brews. So this is
should be the same.
Almost what we did last time, but last time Robert pressed this button for the ounces.
Yeah, that's all.
But maybe we didn't need that. We're gonna find out right now. We're gonna find out if all you gotta do is press the blue button
under the water.
And then the brew. No, that might burn the heck out of my finger. Really? Okay, yeah.
That's hot.
Yeah, okay. That's why I don't want to do it. People are gonna say, "No, you did it. Don't do that."
Hey, I had tested it. It's my ADHD. My bad.
So we got to find out what that blue button is on those instructions that you have there.
No, that's how you put iced coffee. That's warm into ice. That's how it's done. I guess.
So maybe it's not as hot.
Yeah.
It cools it down a little bit. It doesn't brew it like scalding for hot coffee. It probably mellows it out. So I see the blue buttons right down here. So what does it say?
For single serve coffee, do not brew hot over ice into glass. That makes no sense. But yeah, it has it on you.
Alright. So it seems like we're brewing hot coffee or hot water no matter what here. I was under the impression that that blue button was going to push through some cold water. But we're still working on all that. But once we figure it out, maybe I'll make another little short video about it. But for right now, we're done running through the Keurig side for the K-Pods. So now we're going to go ahead and do the KARAFE. Before we do that, I'm going to stop the video and then we're going to come back and then we're going to fill up the reservoir with more water. And then we're going to go ahead and do the KARAFE side. So come on back. Alright, we're going to go ahead and run the water through the regular ground KARAFE side and clean that out some. So we're going to go ahead and set it for 8, push the brew button and let it run through its paces. Let's see if we can see the water running. There it goes. The water's running through the KARAFE side, pretty good. Nice, and it's working right out of the gate. The buttons that you see that are on while it's running are the cups and the ounces. You can see the KARAFE steaming up, showing that it is a hot water run. It is running hot water. We're going to go ahead and do the 8, 10, and 12 ounce run through to clean this machine out thoroughly before we start using it to brew our coffee. You can put a 12 ounce glass here as well. It does show that you could put a glass because the height is pretty good here for your glass to fit in there. If you want to use a glass for your iced coffee, what you do is you go ahead and put your ice in your glass, place it under the K-Pod side, and then you push that blue button right here to brew the water at a less hotter temperature, so that it doesn't melt the ice all the way. It'll preserve the ice as much as possible because the water temperature is a lot less than regular hot coffee brew. So wow, that's quite a bit there for an 8 ounce. It's still going to town there on that brew for 8 ounces. So what I'm going to do is, instead of pushing in with the camera itself, I'm going to push in with the zoom. Now once again, I did mention how neat that it has a plate here up top where you can sit the craft at once you finish brewing the coffee, so that you don't have to keep placing it under there. You could just place it up on the top and know that you have a freshly brewed coffee. Just want to make sure if this was hot or not. It is warm, so I believe it doubles up as like a warmer as well for when you're finished brewing your coffee with the KARAFE side, with your regular ground coffee. My goodness, that's a lot for 8 ounces. I didn't realize how much 8 ounces was.
Oh, that's...
I have it set for 8 ounces. And it's brewing like if it's going to take the whole water reservoir back there. Okay, could this be the first flaw that we're going to run through here? Charge the battery pack. Oh no. Oh no. Hopefully we could catch the whole record until it finishes. I hope this isn't our first flaw in this machine, that it doesn't stop brewing even though I set it at 8 ounces. Unless That is truly an 8-ounce brew. Let me see. My goodness. Okay. So now I'm realizing 8 ounces is way different on the carafe side, because there's 8 ounces right there. Right there. See that? Oops. It's not focusing in enough. Come on, focus. Hi, this camera. So 8 ounces is right there. So no wonder why it's going and going and going. Yeah. See, for being spoiled on using the K-Cup pods for so many years and not using a regular ground coffee brew, I was stumped about why it kept brewing, simply because 8 ounces is right in the middle of the carafe. So it is doing its thing correctly. It is pushing the water through the way it's supposed to be. So maybe that is not like an 8 ounce for a carafe side. Maybe that's 8 cups. That's more. Yeah, I think there we go. That's more in line of being correct. That 8 on this carafe side, the ground coffee side, means that it's brewing for 8 cups. I forgot. See, that's how many years it's been since I used the regular ground coffee brew that I forgot all about what the numbers mean on the carafe side for brewing ground coffee. That means you're brewing 8 cups. And when you're doing it on the carafe or on the Keurig side, that means you're brewing 8 ounces in your cup. So there it is, people. For those of you that didn't remember about that, we all learned this together. We all relearned it. All right, hopefully it reaches that 8 cups before my battery dies out on us here. So yeah, this is a brand new Keurig Dual Essential that we bought at Walmart today, Sunday, August 17th, 2025. We got this for $129 plus tax. It was regular $169 to $149 to $169. It is a new model, as what it says on the box. And here we are. We loved it, and we brought it home. We bought it, brought it home, and we're running it through the cleaning process right now. So awesome. Look, it stopped at the 8 cup mark just before my battery is going to go out. So okay, all right, folks, there it is. It brewed. The 8 cups stopped just as it was supposed to. All right, so good to go. I'm gonna change the battery and come on back as soon as I change that, and then we're gonna go ahead and brew it for 10 cups and then 12 cups, and then we're gonna brew it for real with some coffee only on the K-Cup pod side, as I don't believe we have grounds and filters. We might have grounds and filters, and if we do, we'll go ahead and test it and run it through that as well. So thanks for joining us here on the Keith Allen Show, bringing you a new model of Keurig, the Keurig K-Pod or Keurig Essential, here on the Keith Allen Show with your hosts Keith, Sunshine, and Robert. See you in a bit.
Precious.
I just wanted to remind everybody, because I didn't mention that the water did come down hot, so it is a hot pot of water. I forgot to mention that it did come out hot correctly, not cold, so it is working. All right, there it is. See you in a bit. And I did forget about Precious. Our Precious Chihuahua is also, our Papillon Chihuahua is also here with us on the Keith Allen Show today.
And
yeah.
This got nice and warm
Oh, yeah.
for you to put your coffee up there.
Yeah, so that is a nice little warmer after you brew your coffee. All right, we'll come right back. Stay tuned. All right, we're back here on the Keith Allen Show, showing you our brand new Keurig Dual Essential. Got this from Walmart today, August 17, 2025. We bought this for $129 plus tax. It was originally $149 or $169 at Walmart. So if you'd like to pick yourself up one of these, go ahead and review the other videos that I posted in regards to the running of the water to clean it all out before we actually used it. So right now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and use this. I don't know why that red light is on. Maybe because I touched the add water button. Let me go ahead and see if I can. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a This is 12 ounce, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going to go and test out the 12 ounce. I'm going to put a K-pod in here. So let's go ahead and put a pod, our coffee pod. This is our very first brew. We're out running this Keurig through its hurdles here, making sure everything's going to run right. Okay, so we got a pot in there. We'll go ahead and press the brew button, and let's see that hot coffee come out pouring. I might run another video of it for the iced coffee. It doesn't brew iced coffee. What it actually does is when I press the blue button there, it will run the water at half the temperature so that the ice doesn't all melt under that extreme heat of the water. So basically that's all it does when you want to run iced coffee. You pour and fill your cup with ice, your glass, put it under the Keurig side here, push the blue button, and it'll go ahead and automatically just run through. It'll probably go ahead and brew a 12 ounce. So here's the brew. Let me go ahead and get a close-up of it so you can see splatters or whatever else there. Smells good. So right now we're brewing a 12 ounce cup of coffee. As you can see, it has like a 2-stream set there that pouring out. Not just a 1-stream. Alright, there it is, finishing up. Wow. This can actually take 14 ounces, this cup, because it's already stopped, and there's the coffee. Alright, so there it is.
It smells good.
Yes, it smells good, that coffee. Okay. So, there we go. We have our first brew of hot coffee from our brand new Keurig Dual Essential. Alright, so it did work. And let me run it under the nose. Yep.
Want me to put some of your hazelnut in there?
That is piping hot. No. Alright, so there it is. Successful run through of our first cup of coffee. And if you want to pick up one of yours, I hope you have a great successful first cup as well. Alright, I'm going to stop for now and then come back after I set up a glass for the iced coffee brew. Alright, thanks for joining us here on the Keith Allen Show. Alright, welcome back to the Keith Allen Show with your host Keith Allen right here, showing you our brand new Keurig Dual Essential that we bought from Walmart today, Sunday, August 17th, 2025. And I just now set up a glass with ice, and we are going to test out the brew for the iced coffee on the Keurig K-Pod side. So basically it says go ahead and push this button right there. I'm going to get a close-up zoom up on that real quick, see if we could get that for you. Okay, there. So that blue button right there, not the strong button, but the blue one, we're going to press that. As you can see, there's a bit of ice in there as well. So that's what we have here. We got a glass of ice, and we're going to go ahead and press that. Now what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to run the water at a less hotter temperature so that it's not melting all your ice for your iced coffee. So let's go ahead and take care of that right now. Push that blue button. See what we got going on here. I might have to press the brew button, the K button right there. I'm just going to give it a few seconds here to make sure. I think what I'm going to have to do is set the ounces. So let's go ahead and set the ounces at 12. But then again, the blue button goes off again, so that's not good. Alright, I think it's automatically going to set itself at a 12. So as you can see right now, it's not showing a ounce light up, or it's not lighting up any of the ounces. So I'm assuming that it's going to be a 12 ounce iced coffee brew here. So I have a K-Pod in the machine already, so let's go ahead and press the brew button and see how it works here. Once again, this is for iced coffee brew. So So right now it's supposed to be brewing at half the temperature so that it doesn't melt all the ice, but let's see, you can see some of the ice melting there. This is a dual coffee maker from Keurig. It's a new brand or a new model. You can brew ground coffee or a K-pod coffee, K-pod cup or K-cup pod. All right, there it goes. It looks like it's stopping now. So yeah, I believe it runs at a 12 ouncer. It runs a 12-ounce cup of coffee here for iced coffee. The button stays on for a little bit. You can take a listen to what it sounds like. All right, the sound is stopped. The lights went out. I have my glass here with the ice, and I have iced coffee. Look at that. I got my iced coffee, and just to prove that it is running at a less hotter temperature, not to melt all of your ice. Look at how much ice I still have left there. I did fill it up with ice, but there is my first cup of iced coffee. And I do have my creamer that I could put in there. You put your own cream in your own coffee, iced coffee brew. But there it is, folks. So we ran through quite a few little tests of the Keurig Dual Essential. And we ran water through the KARAFE over here, and I only ran a 8-cup run of water because it takes quite a while to go through. I don't want to brew a 10 and a 12. It probably took us a half an hour, but it is quite fast brewing on the K-cup pod side, and we ran regular hot cups of water, and everything runs fine. Everything's looking good here. It's brewing the way it's supposed to be brewing. I'm happy. The wifey's happy. Precious is happy. Yeah, you happy, Precious? Let's get Precious. You happy with the coffee? Yeah? She's like, don't bother me right now. I'm looking at Mom get my creamer. All right, so we're going to try some creamer right now into the coffee. There we go. Let's go ahead and try some of that creamer in there. Oh, look at how nice that is. All right. Iced coffee with my creamer. I like hazelnut, French vanilla. A lot of great creamers out there, but those are the ones that I enjoy. All I got to do is mix it around a bit and enjoy my coffee. All right, everybody, until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video of the brand new model of the Keurig Dual Essential that we purchased at Walmart. So you can go to your local Walmart, or you can go wherever you can find it. We bought ours for $129 plus tax. It was really originally marked up to like $149 or $169. So there it is. It works fine. It does have a little warmer up on top when you're done with the KARAFE. And yeah, we're good to go. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us here on the Keith Allen Show. Until the next time, from myself, Keith Allen, your host, Kathy, Sunshine, Robert, and Precious. Precious, where are you? Not here. Okay, never mind. All right, until next time, take care of yourselves and everybody else. And remember, treat others as you would like to be treated. Until next time, everybody, take care.